الكلام ماما يلا كافي. In this lab we will examine the organ associated with the digestive system.
أحمد يلا ماما ارجع مكانك.
First slide, the section in the liver.
وين الباقي؟ خوزة وطلعوا مو؟
اي ما شاء الله.
هسه راح اسوي غياب.
First slide, the section in the liver. The liver is covered by thin connective tissue capsule called glycis capsule. The structural unit of the liver is called liver lobule. Liver lobule is a polygonal mass of cells with 3 to 6 spaces at the periphery. In this slide, we will examine 3 types of cells. First type is the hepatocytes. These cells are polyhedral in shape with rounded nuclei and acidophilic cytoplasm due to the large number of mitochondria and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. These cells are arranged in interconnected plates. هذه كلها هيباتوسايتس تترتب بشكل صفيحات interconnected plates disposed radially from the center of the lobule to the periphery. عندنا اللوبيول يتكون من يعني center و periphery. This center we have a central vein or central lobular vein. The hepatocytes are arranged in interconnected plates disposed radially from the center of the lobule to the periphery. بس الهيباتوسايت شكلها شنو؟ polyhedral with central spherical nuclei and acidophilic cytoplasm. Hepatocytes constitute 2/3 the mass of the liver. Between the plates of hepatocytes, we have spaces. These spaces are liver sinusoids. Sinusoidal capillaries composed of discontinuous fenestrated endothelial cells. At the tip of the pointer, we can see nucleus of endothelial cells. قلنا الهيباتوسايتس تترتب بشكل plates. Between the plates we have spaces. These spaces are sinusoids. Sinusoidal capillaries تتكون من discontinuous layer of fenestrated endothelial cells. This is nucleus of endothelial cell. Within sinusoids we have another type of cell called Kupffer cells. These cells are macrophages found within the sinusoids. These cells are irregular in shape, found within the liver sinusoids. فهي مطلوب 3 types of cells. hepatocyte اللي تترتب بشكل بليت يكون شكلها polyhedral with rounded nuclei and acidophilic cytoplasm. Between the plates we have liver sinusoids lining هو endothelial cells يكون عادة النيوكلياي elongated. Within liver sinusoid we have a macrophage called Kupffer cell. هذه تشوفوها تكون عادة غامقة و irregular in shape. This is another one. مرات يعني لو خليها وحدة كتوني وقريبا. This is a central vein found in the center of the liver lobule. You can see the hepatocyte disposed radially from the center of the lobule towards the periphery. At the periphery of each lobule, we have 3 to 6 portal spaces or triads. In this space, we have 3 structures: an arteriole, a branch of hepatic artery. This is arteriole, and a venule, a branch of portal vein, and bile duct, which is a part of bile duct. Bile duct is lined with simple cuboidal epithelium. At high power, we can see the venule. This is the venule. An arteriole. Arteriole is very small, and the wall contain 1 or 2 muscle. And this is the bile duct. The lining epithelium is simple cuboidal epithelium. You can see the nuclei are rounded and in the center of each cell. واضح؟ فهذا هو portal space or portal triad. We can see 3 structures: venule, arteriole, and bile duct. In addition, we have connective tissue. This slide is stained by H&D stain. عندكم سؤال بالنسبة للليفر؟ 3 types of cells will portal space or portal triad be 3 structures. هذا المطلوب منكم. السنتر مال اللوبيول هو يحتوي على central vein. Second slide is section in the gallbladder. Gallbladder is hollow, pear-shaped structure. The mucosa is composed of simple columnar epithelium. This is simple columnar epithelium. Beneath, laminar property of connective tissue. A smooth muscle layer. This is a smooth muscle layer. And this is a perimuscular layer of connective tissue. And last layer is a serosate. المطلوب بالgallbladder mucosa تتكون من lining epithelium, which is simple columnar epithelium. Beneath we have a laminar property of connective tissue, a layer of smooth muscle fibers, perimuscular layer of connective tissue, and serosate. This slide is stained with H&D stain. Third slide is the section in the pancreas. Pancreas is a mixed exocrine and endocrine gland. This organ is covered by thin connective tissue capsule, thin septa into it, separating the pancreatic lobule. يعني هاي اللي بيناتها كلها connective tissue septa. Thin connective tissue capsule, thin septa into it, separating the pancreatic lobule. Exocrine portion of the pancreas. The cells of this part are arranged in acini. Each acinus is composed of several cells. هذه بدي تشوفوها. This is acinus composed of several cells surrounding a small lumen. So this is serous acinus, which is an exocrine portion of the pancreas. While endocrine portion of the pancreas, the cells of this part are arranged in clusters known as isolates of Langerhans. هذه بدي تشوفوها lightly staining area. This is isolate of Langerhans, which is an endocrine portion of the pancreas. This is exocrine portion. This is endocrine portion. The pancreas is similar in structure to the parotid gland, but differ. شنو الاختلافات بيناتهم أخذناها بالفصل الأول.
ميوكاس ماكو.
The absence of striated duct and the presence of isolate of Langerhans. The smallest duct found in the pancreas is the intercalated duct. The lining epithelium is simple cuboidal epithelium. These ducts empty into intralobular duct and then to the interlobular duct found within the septa of connective tissue. And then in the major pancreatic duct. هاي احنا المفروض ماخذينها بس مراجعة. This is the major pancreatic duct. This slide is also stained by H&D stain. Last slide, section in the olfactory epithelium. Olfactory epithelium is a specialized area of the mucous membrane in the superior concave, located in the roof of nasal cavity. This type of epithelium is pseudostratified columnar epithelium with 3 types of cells. Basal cells, these cells are small, spherical or cone-shaped arranged in a single layer at the base of the epithelium. So this is basal cells. Form a single layer at the base of epithelium, spherical or cone-shaped. Supporting cells. These cells have broad surface and narrow bases. Third type of cells are olfactory cells. These cells are located between basal and supporting cells. The nuclei of olfactory cells lie beneath the nuclei of supporting cells. واضح؟ فنشوف يعني three orientations of nuclei. البيز اللي هي basal cells اللي تكون عادة قريبة من يعني اللي فوق هي supporting cells واللي بيناتهم هي nuclei of olfactory cells. واضح؟ يعني نميزهم من خلال موقع النواة اللي عادة تكون للأعلى هي تكون supporting اللي بالوسط هي olfactory وبالبيز هي basal cells. Within the lamina propria of olfactory tissue, we have Bowman glands. These glands produce a fluid environment around the cilia. This slide is also stained by H&D stain. المطلوب بالolfactory epithelium تعرفون إنه التايب هو pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Three types of cells اللي بالبيز هي basal cells بالوسط olfactory والقريبة من السيرفيس هي تكون supporting cells. Lamina propria we have Bowman's gland that produce a fluid environment around the cilia. طلاب السمبريولوجي